continue on trying to build our initial website. So let's recap where we are. Okay, so we have a code, and we have a lot of windows open because I've been researching this. Let's get rid of this one. Okay, we have our page running, and right now our page is just showing this landing page because I put in some boilerplate React router code, which is not doing what I want. What I want again to do is I want to show my landing page. This is what it looks like right now on getme.com. I want to show this landing page without this big div, and I don't want to load all the React code. And I'm wondering if this is too much to ask for at the moment. But I think I figured out a way to do it. And so what I'm going to do is, because we have a bunch of static HTML that we're going to download from Webflow. And as we update this landing page on Webflow, we're going to continually download those files. And so we can then upload them with our whole project here. And this will serve as our landing page or our index page. So whenever you go to getme.com, you should go straight to this page. But this page will not have any React, or at least it shouldn't load any of the React. Most of the React should only load once you sign in and start using the actual app. So this stuff is going to be some static HTML, which we have saved here in the public folder. So this is the HTML that we downloaded from Webflow, as well as all its other static assets here, kind of just saved up here. And so this shouldn't be loading any React code, but I think what we're going to do is actually maybe we will load some React code. And let's see. Because basically what I want is when we go to this page here, I want only this index HTML to load. And then when I go to, say, dashboard, I don't want this page to load, and I only want the what's it called? My React code to load. So I'm trying to figure out how to do that. But right now, whatever route we put in, we go straight to this static file at the moment. Actually, I still don't know what to do. I still don't know what to do. Because I had Googled quite a few things. Let's see. I was like wondering if I could just serve maybe some static HTML in one route and then some React code in another route. Can I serve HTML from React? Maybe let's try this. Okay. Serve render static HTML from React. I've asked this question already. I don't think it's this. I don't think it's this. Yes, okay, maybe it's that. Let's see what this says here. Display HTML inside a React component from an external source or file that you want to display to the user. Inject HTML in a component which include cross-script. So places like CMS or which you get, you have to deal with raw HTML. Okay, Embed raw HTML inside a component. So maybe I do need this dangerously set inner HTML. Safer alternative. Okay, I'm using external libraries like .purify. Okay, so maybe it's a security issue. Yes, I saw this one. Mac Webpack. Yes, okay. Yes, this fits all my needs. No, I don't think this is right. No, this is not going to help. Okay, I think maybe this is the best bet here. Maybe let's try this first, and then after I try this, let's figure out what kind of risk this might face. Okay, so I think what I need to do is I need to load the HTML. So I need to import it in a sense. Maybe let's try this first here. So where's my code editor? Okay. So index is attaching to body, and body is here. Let's see. Maybe let's just get rid of all this actually. And let's get rid of all this header stuff for now. Okay. I don't know what this stuff is, but and I think the website should still work. Yes. Okay, good. Still works. And let me pull up my downloaded files again. Let's see if I have it open. Okay, let's pull this up. So maybe we want to move the static files. Maybe create another folder here called Webflow. And we can then move these guys into here. Let's call this landing. And I'm going to copy in my old HTML in here as well. Okay. And then they also have this image license info here. Okay, cool. So let's move this. Favicon. Okay, so this is kind of now back to what it was before. And let's see if we can import it from public. So we need to go here and see if we can. So it's maybe we'll keep this router stuff. Let's see if we can import landing page from static. So how does this work? Terminal. Okay. Public landing index.html. I wonder if this works. Okay. Actually, sorry. Let's not do this yet. Where was our guide here? This one. So let's try this first. Okay. So we have my HTML app, and this returns div with some my HTML. Let's put it on these links. And it's just a function, and it should just render. Let's see. Okay, good. So we just have this. But actually what you need to do is you need to set it as dangerously. So div, we need this one actually. my HTML. Okay, good. So this is JavaScript object and John Doe. Good. We have an H1 there. Okay. Where is that? Why do we have this? Where is this coming from? Oh, it's from here. We don't need that. Okay, good. It's gone. Okay, so that works. So if we replace this with my landing page, I wonder if this will work. Because I think hopefully it'll just be loading directly from public landing index.html. I hope it just reads that as a string. Okay. Is this relative? How do we... Launch not found. Can't resolve. Okay. So how do I reference static files and create React app? Okay, yes. Public HTML files, set the page title and script tag. Adding assets outside the module system. You also add other assets to the public folder. Import assets in JavaScript files instead. Adding style sheet or adding images and fonts. Here we go. Using static assets like images works similarly to import a write file in JavaScript. Like this to include that file bundle and like CSS imports import file with string value. Okay. So let's see. Maybe it's still we still gotta do this. HTML files. Okay. Adding assets. Import assets. Okay. Import number of benefit descriptions. Get minified. Missing files. Result file names. Escape hash you use to ask the module. So if you put a file in public, it will not be classified. So we'll be copying the build folder untouched to reference as in public. You need to use an environment variable called public. I see. Okay. Public URL. href equals %public URL. Con dot. I see. Okay. Percent. Does this work? Let's see. If you need to use a file from source node, you'll have to copy to explicitly specify to make this file part of it. Substitute with correct absolute path to your project works even if you're using concept root hosted non-root URL. Okay. None of the files in public will get post-processed or minified. Missing files will not be called at compilation time. This is tricky. I'm sure this is not the first time someone has faced this issue. It kind of feels like I shouldn't be doing this. Okay, what if I try landing page only HTML, other pages React? Yes, okay. This one. Yes. Yes, exactly. Can I upload this? No answer. Scripts. Yeah, DOM.render, browse, browser render. Going to URL. Does that into the right page with that, but I want this to be indexed so it will be there by default. Yes. No, I don't need templates. Static landing page with React backend. React root. Okay, here we go. Yes. Okay. Has its own CSS static link to it. Well, this is a whole mini post has its own index about us. Let's build, create a React app, which I have this cool dashboard now. I'll to it. Entry point to the landing page, and then we go to the dashboard. Yes, exactly. I'll put this. So the project structure and static landing page probably looks like this. One page index contact, yes, static. By React project uses React folder function React project path dashboard. Okay. Just turn on React with dashboard and okay. Back into display static files like Express. If you run your own build, your create React app will have a folder called build. Right. I haven't tried this yet. I wonder what happens when I run build. I should have a build folder, I think. Here it is. Yep, build landing. So it kind of just copies everything over. Oh. All right. Okay. Let's take this out and let's take this out for now. Okay. And let's just build and see what the output looks like. In the files, then should be in everything under the static folder. The index.html can be copied to any web server if you're damage. The static folder needs to be at the root directory of the web page index.html. Name and file can change. Your injector share and edit the script yourself. This one. Okay. Right. So this is what I was thinking might happen. So I think I might have to eject this and then start configuring my own Webpack. And Webpack does do chunks. I have a tab somewhere. Webpack. What is this? No. Oh, maybe I was looking somewhere else. So let's do Webpack codes. I think it's called entry. Webpack entry. Your entry points, yes. Okay. Using create bundle modules. Code splitting. I think this is what I want, this manual splitting. But it doesn't talk about the roots. So I don't know how this works. Small version control resource, okay. Manual codes by using the entry configuration. Input, okay. So there's two different bundles. Caching, nothing libraries. Oh, I don't know yet. So many. Okay, hold on, let's try. Did I do it already? Yes, okay. So build. I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. Index.html. Okay. So they shrunk the HTML basically. I wonder if this is the React code. There are two main chunks, okay, I think. And static. Oh, here's chunks, okay. Landing. I don't know. Oh, so I'm not the first person to run across this. 2 months ago. Okay, let's copy this. Let's see what else we get. What is this? No. No, that's not it. Okay, I don't know. We need to go back to the drawing board. So this was, sorry, this live stream's quite boring. We weren't able to solve it yet. Okay, I have a little more think about it, and we'll come back. Okay, thanks for watching.